Tonight's homework is page 115 and 116, and it's a good review of everything we've been talking about recently with fractions and multiplication and all of our stuff for Unit 6. Number 1, Conrad is cleaning his room. His bookcase has 7 shelves and he put 18 books on each shelf. So we have 7 shelves and 18 books on each shelf. How many did he put away? Is a good indication that I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to do 18 times 7. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So he put away 126 books. And with these being story problems, we want to make sure we're labeling. Number 2, Conrad's dresser has 6 drawers. He put 13 pieces of clothing in each drawer. So this is just like those books. So again, I'm going to multiply. 13 times 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So he put 78 pieces of clothing away. Last, his toys. He has 11 containers for toys, and he put 17 toys in each container. About how many toys did he put away? So again, we're going to multiply. This time we get to do our double-digit multiplication. Starting with the 1 in the ones place. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Then I'm done with the 1, so I add the 0, and I move on to this 1 in the tens place. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Then I add up my two parts. 7 plus 0 is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. And 1. So he has 187 toys. That is a lot of toys that he has that were all over his room. When I have fractions and whole numbers with this of, okay, that means that I'm kind of dividing. So half of 24, 24 divided by 2, it is 12. 1/4 of 24 means 24 divided by 4, which is 6. 1/8 of 24, 24 divided by 8 is 3. 1/3 of 24, 24 divided by 3 is 8. 1/6 of 24, 24 divided by 6 is 4. And 1/12 of 24, 24 divided by 12 is 2. So that means that if I had 24 toys and I made 12 piles, 2 would be in each pile. Fill in the blanks. We're comparing fractions now. 1/3 is less than half. 4/9 is more than half, so 4/9 must be bigger. 7/12 is more than half. 4/8 is equal to a half, so 7/12 is a little bit bigger. 5/15 is less than half, and so is 1/3, so I got to do something different. I'm going to try to find an equivalent fraction. 3 can go to 15. 3 times 5 is 15, so 1 times 5 is 5. I see those are equal. And 9, 2/3 is more than half, so I'm going to find that equivalent fraction again. 3 times 4 is 12, so 2 times 4 is 8. So 2/3 is equal to 8/12. That's just a little bit less than 9/12. And our challenge. Tina collects cans to recycle at the supermarket. Last week, on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, she collected 37 cans each day. On Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, she collected 43 cans each day. She gets 5 cents for every can she recycled. So I need to figure out how much money she got. I need to know how many cans she had first. So Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, that's 3 days, and she collected 37 cans each of those 3 days. So I'm going to do 37 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, she collected 111 cans. On Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so 4 days, she collected 43 cans each day. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So 172 cans. So then total, she collected 283 cans, and she gets 5 cents for every can. So we're going to multiply that by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. So she gets 1,415 cents, or $14.15. Part B says Tina kept $5 for herself. She divided the rest of the money evenly among her 3 little brothers. How much money did each brother get? Well, let's first take out the $5 that she kept for herself. I would have to borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9. So she split $9.15 between her 3 little brothers. So I'm going to do $9.15 divided by my 3 brothers. 3 goes into 9 3 times. And I bring down the 1. 3 can't go into 1, so I need to put that 0 to hold the place. And bring down the 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. And I've got nothing left over, and my decimal point goes straight up. So each brother got $3.05. And that is tonight's homework.